Okay, so here we go. So here's my what's in my makeup drawer. So if you haven't been here before, my name's Liana and I do a lot of makeup tutorials and a get ready with me. But today I'm doing what's in my makeup drawer, and honestly, this is going to be horrendous for you guys. I do apologize in advance. It is so messy. Like, I am not an exactly clean person. So here we go. Okie dokie, so in here we have all my makeup, so these are all my palettes, so that's all that in there. Also over here I have all my makeup brushes. I put this in this cool mermaid thing, and then I have some stuff that I did from today, and again some more makeup brushes, and also my perfumes over there, and so my hair stuff. And also over here I have my Elf that I've been looking for. Has been randomly in my drawer. In here, in this wee egg cup, I pop into my my beauty blender. Over here I keep all my singles and also my highlighters and a few rings on top there. And then we have my drawer of despair. Alright, so in this drawer basically holds everything. So I have some blusher in here that is from my Nana. It's vintage stuff. It is actually really pretty. I'll open it up for you if I can. Which I can't seem to. There we go. So there we go. I don't know how vintage it is, whether it's 80s or 90s, but I'm kind of hoping that it'll be 50s. But yeah, this is where I keep literally everything. So I have samples, and I have my lip glosses, and then I have some nail polish, and then I have a few of my Jeffree Stars. I really need to clean everything out, and obviously girl products. But yeah, so this basically has everything in it. This is where I keep everything. This is my from when I went blonde. This is some Tony Moly stuff. It's yeah, I don't know what it says, but I got a few Korean Korean makeups a while ago. So this is a lip gloss in here. And also I have some hand cream, and then I have some mascara. I have all this stuff over here. I have some Elf cream gel, eyeliner, and then I have my bronzers, and I have all my lipsticks. Literally, this is my drawer of everything. So yeah, that was my makeup of despair, and I do apologize that it was so messy. I do need to tidy up. If you guys can give me some tips on how to make it look less cluttered and disgusting. And so yeah, so I had work today, so this is the makeup that I went to work with. Yeah, and again, like and subscribe. Make sure that you like me, because I'm Liana. Alright, you guys have a great day. See you later.